In the vast expanse of the cosmos, we find countless examples of symbiotic relationships, where different entities thrive by working together. Today, here on Earth, a new partnership is emerging, one between humans and artificial intelligence. This is not about machines replacing us, it's about machines augmenting our abilities. It's about combining the best of human intuition and creativity with the speed and processing power of AI. This collaboration is already reshaping industries from healthcare to manufacturing and holds the potential to unlock solutions to some of humanity's greatest challenges. By working together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. This is the promise of AI-human collaboration, a future where technology empowers us to reach new heights. The collaboration between humans and AI is not a distant dream, it's happening now. In healthcare, AI algorithms analyze medical images with remarkable accuracy, assisting doctors in making faster and more accurate diagnoses. Surgeons use AI-powered robotic arms to perform complex procedures with enhanced precision, minimizing risks and improving patient outcomes. In manufacturing, robots work alongside human technicians, performing repetitive tasks with tireless efficiency, while humans focus on tasks requiring creativity and problem-solving skills. This collaboration increases productivity, improves quality control, and creates a safer working environment. From transportation to customer service, AI is changing the way we work, freeing us from mundane tasks and allowing us to focus on what we do best: think, create, and innovate. The true power of AI-human collaboration lies in its ability to enhance our own capabilities. AI can process vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and insights that would take humans years to uncover. This allows us to make better decisions, develop innovative solutions, and gain a deeper understanding of the world around us. Furthermore, AI can automate tedious and repetitive tasks, freeing up our time and mental energy for more creative and strategic endeavors. This allows us to focus on the human aspects of work collaboration, communication, and innovation. By embracing AI as a powerful tool, we can unlock our full potential and achieve greater heights than ever before. The path to a future powered by AI-human collaboration is not without its challenges. One major concern is the potential for job displacement. As AI systems become more sophisticated, there is a risk that they may automate jobs currently performed by humans. However, history has shown that technological advancements often lead to the creation of new industries and job opportunities. To mitigate this challenge, we must focus on reskilling and upskilling the workforce. Educating people on how to work alongside AI and equipping them with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-powered economy is crucial. We must also address ethical concerns surrounding AI, such as bias in algorithms and the potential for misuse. By establishing clear ethical guidelines and promoting responsible AI development, we can ensure that this technology is used for the betterment of humanity. Section 5. The skills we need. Preparing for an AI-powered future. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into the workplace, it is essential for individuals to adapt and develop the skills necessary to thrive in this evolving landscape. Critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, and emotional intelligence will be highly valued in the age of AI. The ability to think critically and solve complex problems will be crucial in an environment where AI provides insights and recommendations, but human judgment is still required to make informed decisions. Creativity and innovation will be essential for developing new products, services, and solutions that leverage the power of AI. And emotional intelligence will be paramount in fostering effective collaboration between humans and machines. Section 6. Ethics in the age of AI, ensuring responsible collaboration. The rise of AI presents profound ethical considerations that must be carefully addressed. As we increasingly rely on AI systems to make decisions that impact our lives, it is crucial to ensure that these systems are fair, unbiased, and transparent in their operations. Bias in algorithms, often stemming from biased training data, can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal inequalities. To prevent this, developers must prioritize diversity and inclusivity in AI development teams and ensure that training data is representative of the populations AI systems are designed to serve. Transparency in AI decision-making processes is also crucial, allowing humans to understand how and why an AI system arrived at a particular conclusion. By embedding ethical considerations into every stage of AI development and deployment, we can harness its power responsibly and equitably. Section 7. A glimpse into the future. AI and the transformation of work. The future of work with AI is not about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together to achieve extraordinary things. Imagine a world where AI assistants help us manage our schedules, prioritize tasks, and even generate creative content, freeing up our time and energy to focus on strategic thinking and innovation. Picture doctors using AI-powered diagnostic tools to identify diseases in their earliest stages, leading to more effective treatments and better patient outcomes. Envision architects collaborating with AI algorithms to design sustainable and resilient cities, capable of adapting to the challenges of climate change. The possibilities are limitless. Section 8. Embracing the unknown, navigating the evolving landscape of AI. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of AI, it is essential to approach this journey with a spirit of curiosity, adaptability, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. The future of work with AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we will shape through our choices, our actions, and our commitment to harnessing this technology for the greater good. This requires ongoing dialogue and collaboration between policymakers, industry leaders, researchers, and the public to ensure that AI development aligns with human values and societal needs. It also demands a commitment to lifelong learning, as the skills required to thrive in an AI-powered world will continue to evolve. Section 9. Conclusion. A future forged together. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, humanity has always sought to understand and explore the unknown. The rise of artificial intelligence presents us with a new frontier, a realm of possibilities that we are only beginning to comprehend. As we journey into this new era, let us remember that AI is not a force to be feared, but a tool to be wielded wisely. By embracing AI-human collaboration, by investing in education and reskilling, by addressing ethical concerns, and by fostering a spirit of curiosity and adaptability, we can create a future where technology empowers us to solve our greatest challenges, unlock our full potential, and reach for the stars. The future of work is not predetermined. It is a future that we will forge together.